What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Budget Rebuilds. We left off last time. We couldn't get the thing to start, and we had what we thought was a bunch of broke wires and stuff like that. But I went all through this bearing harness. I didn't find anything wrong with it, and I had a spare one too. I plugged it in, still wouldn't start. So I had a set of spare switches, and I hooked them up. Runs, so that's a good thing. It runs very well too. So I guess now we can go ahead and start tearing the thing down, order all the parts we need, but I guess we'll start by just getting off all the bad stuff. I'll just go ahead and start off in the front, get this fairing harness out of the way, and then we'll pull the bars off after that. So now when I replace these handlebars, we have to pull out all the switches anyway to put in our new bars, but we'll find out where the break is in that wire that's keeping it from starting. Or maybe just run all these switch wires. I don't know, we'll figure it out once we get in there. I know you better than you think. You know yourself, the truth is you're a mess. Painting with a field set, it never works. Punching holes again, my friend. I should have taken my throttle cables off when I still had the bars mounted to the bike. I thought I'd just be able to slide the handle off, but evidently not. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and start pulling off all these bent saddlebag support bars and fender and all that other stuff too. And I don't know if y'all can see this whole conglomeration of wires. All that's going to go too. Not a fan of that stuff. I think it's for LED lights. Get the jack underneath it, jack it up, and pull the shocks off so we can get to that back bolt. Hopefully somebody left it out of there. That'd be nice. Can't tell if this thing's got the bolt in the back of it still or not. Be awesome if it didn't.
It probably does.
I'm sure it does. Promise you one thing. It's not while I'm done with it. Of course it does. And these dudes are so bent, I guarantee you they're under like a bunch of tension. Those dudes were bent. Big time. About as far as we can go right now until I get the tank off outside, but I've already started ordering parts for this. This is the route I kind of want to go, is just do like a stretch fender overlay on it with plasma rods like we've done in the past. And I have a good tank for it right here. And I already ordered a street glide front fender. I got a seat coming for it, replacement bars, inner and outer fairing. So I think I pretty much have everything ready to go, but let us know in the comments what color you want us to paint it, or should we just go with black? I think we should just go with black. Melissa? Not black?
Black sells, but...
Black sells.
But we'll see. We'll see what everybody says.
We'll see. We're going to go ahead and give you an update on the burnt bike. So I got our bad crank pressed out of our burnt cases. I've got our 124 flywheels out of our burnt cases pressed into our new polished cases, and got all that sealed, torqued properly. I'm putting the oil pump on right now, so waiting on gaskets and miscellaneous stuff so we can build the rest of the engine and start putting it back in the bike. So anyway, just want to give you a quick update on that. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please catch us on the next one. We appreciate it very much.